Alright guys, so for this what we're going to do is we're going to start with the OtterBox, and we're going to do a few different ones. We're going to do a head, knees, and chest. A head, chest, and knees drop test. So we're going to just get started right now and see how well this thing can perform. So let's just get started. That sounded like it did some damage. And then we're gonna do knees. So you guys are probably hoping that I do one facing with the front facing forward, just because that's where all the juicy shit happens. So we're gonna do that for this one. I'm a little nervous for this one, so let's kind of see what happens. But I'm just gonna do 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh shit. So guys, as you guys can see here, we have really no damage. I'm not expecting a lot of damage with this one because this is the OtterBox. Shout out to OtterBox, by the way. I think you guys make great cases. We're gonna go chest now, guys. Screen facing down. Okay, we got our first crack of the day, guys. First crack right there. Good shit. So looks like if you guys have or are thinking about buying an OtterBox Defender Series case, the OtterBox is actually not as protective as you might think. I believe, was that chest? Was that the chest, Allison?
Yeah.
That was the chest. So chest down. We're gonna do knees. I'm getting excited because this is getting good. We got knees. 2 cracks. 2 cracks. So basically we got 2 cracks here, guys. Gonna zoom in real quick on that so you guys can see that. So we got 2 cracks with the OtterBox Defender. The point of today's video, guys, is to actually see how long this phone actually lasts. So we're gonna go on to the next case now. All right, guys, so now we have 2 cracks in the screen. Now we are putting on the clear case, much less protection. As we can see, the ceramic shield is not as protective as one may think, but let's just get started, guys. So we're gonna start from the head here. I don't have high expectations here, so let's get ready to see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Well, that kind of went everywhere. Wow, so contrary to what most might believe, less than I thought damage was gonna happen. Maybe this is a fairly protected case. Now we're gonna be doing the chest. 3, 2, 1. You could hear that didn't land right on the screen. Not very much damage once again, guys, not very much damage. Knees. 3, 2, 1. Directly on the screen, and it looks like the crack is kind of getting more big. So as we can see here, guys. All right, guys, so now we're gonna actually take the case off. I'm a little bit nervous for this one. I have a feeling we're gonna see a lot of damage here, but we're gonna go face first and see what we can do, guys. Let's see what this sucker's made of. Head first. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Naked phone. Basically the same amount of damage as before. Nothing real new. Chest. 3, 2, 1. Did a little spiral on that one. Looks like just some more scratches. No real big any kind of issues. Looks like the ceramic shield is holding up a little bit better. You can see a little bit of scratching right here, guys. Scratching right here. Overall, knees. 3, 2, 1. Yep, so just more scratching. Kind of beat the sucker up, guys. Overall, nothing huge though. I was kind of expecting a little bit more. Cracks in the screen. I'm gonna actually go face the lightning port down. Let's see what we can do, guys. 3, 2, 1. As you guys can see, it kind of changed in the air. That's kind of normal. Let's go for the chest. No real significant damage, by the way. No real significant damage. Chest. Ooh, that was a meaty one. Looks like we got some actual damage down here. So it looks like it really made contact right there. Once again, guys, iPhone 12 red, drop test, last test of the day. Go for the knees. Lightning port facing down. What do you guys think is gonna happen? Well, I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Not too much. All right, guys, so the end result for today is that we have this amount of damage. Looks like our iPhone had a big crack right here with some other scratches, and then we had 2 at the bottom, basically just taking off some of the glass. I'm a little unimpressed. I kind of thought the iPhone was going to completely shatter today, but this is an iPhone 12 drop test, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video, and stay tuned for more. Thanks a lot.